Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will use these stamps to make cards. Let's see the contents on these stamps. Good health, good luck, happiness for today and every day. Get well soon. Get well soon, wish bottle with stars. These tiny words are, it's not very nice when you don't feel your best. Make sure you take care of yourself and try to get some rest. And this one is get well soon. Sending you lots of love, get well soon. And this, take a little nap, sip a little tea, here's a little kiss, lots of love from me. And this is hoping that you will soon be feeling strong and singing a cheerful song. This small sentiment is I hope you feel better soon. And here a cute penguin with a fish. It's so cute. Okay, I will use this watercolor pink and this white color base. I will make an open card, so it's folded color base. Okay, first let's layer them together. Let's glue it. And I will use this giant flower. This flower set is new release this month. It's very pretty. I have cut and painted flowers in yellow and let's try on the card base. Also, I will use this torn paper frame to make a tag. Let white onto the green and try on the card. Set the top layer of flower to make it a little bend. And glue them together. Color seems very nice, right? Okay, now I will use stamps to choose nice sentiment for this tag. How about get well soon and sending you lots of love? But no need, second line, get well soon. Caesar, the small get well soon words. Keep sending you lots of love. And combine get well soon. Let's stamp the sentiments on the tag. Get well soon on top. And the second line is sending you lots of love. Okay, I finished the stamping. Seems very nice stamping. Try on the cards and stick it. Okay, we're almost done. This card is clean, but very sweet and pretty. I will make some decoration with these clear waterdrop beads. The waterdrop beads are vivid. They make the flower a little bit fresh, right? Then I will do something on the inner page. I love this wish bottle with stars. Let's stamp this one. And these very tiny words. Let's say it. The patterns are very clean. Even these very tiny words. It was very clear stamped and very nice. Okay, I will make the second card. This card is also an open card. I use this blue floral design paper and cut a frame in the middle. First, make them together. Then I will stamp in this frame. Try the stamps on and check the size. This get well soon is very nice, I think. nice size and very nice stamped. Okay, I hope to paint this small heart into red. I think a little bit red makes the card sweet and lovely. Okay, let's do something for in the page. I hope to use this leaf. The leaf on the corner. I use this green color for the leaf. And this, take a little nap, sentiments. Very quality stamped. Let's move to the last stamp for this card. Stick this fancy frame. Okay, this card is finished. It's another clean but very nice card. Okay, it's today's two cards and my tutorial. I hope you love and inspired. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.